Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Today is your first time coming here, please subscribe. So today I want to tell us about rice powder, how you can use rice powder for your formulation, or how you can use it for your face cream or body lotion or body wash, shower gel, as you might see, even your black soap. A lot of people love using rice powder without knowing the right formula. What are the ingredients that you can inculcate, or what are the ingredients that you can actually add to rice powder and get the best result? Let me tell you about rice powder first. Rice powder, you see, is very rich. Okay, yes, it makes your skin soft, supple, and make your skin also smooth, moisturize very well also. All right, and also it has antioxidant as well, and it can remove all this black spots from your face as well when using it consistently. A lot of people love using it, but they don't know how to use it to formulate, or on day-to-day normal way. You can use it on your normal skincare routine. You can use it, you can put it on, and you can put it inside warm water every morning to use it for your face, and it will also work for you well, very well. Or you can put it in cold water and use it for your face. It will work very well. It has its own strength. All right, it doesn't say when you use it maybe it will lose nutrient. No, it has its own strength, and it always retain the strength as well. So how would you use it to make it more effective? See, this is my own rice powder. Okay, how can you use it and it will be more effectively? That is the logic now I want to show you. Sometimes people want to use it just add to their product, or just want to add it to your soap, or you want to add it to your lotion. No, I think when you use it that way, it will still work, but the best way that you can use it is this. For instance, you want to make a 500 ml body wash, or you want to make a 500 ml body cream or face cream. I will advise you, first of all, take your rice powder into consideration. All right, take like 50 grams of it and then put in a warm water. All right, put it in a warm water. After that, because some people love extracting it in another way, but I don't want you to extract it. Just put it in a warm water or cold water as well. Then take 1 spoon of your honey. This original honey. Take 1 spoon of your honey. You know what honey does? Honey is also good for the skin. A lot of lightning property that you can use that will always help you. There are a lot of them that you can do research on. All right, so you can consider even your lime water, or you can consider your orange peel as well also. But hence we're talking about this rice powder pack. So take your honey, like 2 spoon, 3 spoon, 4 spoon, as many you want, but I prefer using one is okay. Just take one and add to it. We're making 500 ml quantity, right? So add to it. When you then stir together, right, then you must have made all your formulation regards to your lotion, or regards to your cream, or regards to your face cream. All right, hence we're considering let's just say we're considering body wash. Okay, you've added your foaming agent, then add this rice powder and this honey mixed together, add to it, then blend and start using it. Couple of 3 to 4, 5 days, you'll notice that your skin, for those of you who have this this stubborn dark skin that you always want to just tone a bit, just a bit. Yes, not you're looking for a sharper pad. No, you just want to tone a bit. Rice powder is very effective, and it has many benefits. I wrote them down that I can also drop them for the link be on my bio, that you can also a lot of benefit that you can see that rice powder help. I told you, it make your skin look supple, soft, smooth. And also for those of us who have this wrinkle, very strong wrinkle that shows that make you look as if you're old or you aged. If you use it consistently, if you're using your rice powder water, or you're using your rice powder cream, lotion, face cream, just a body wash. If you're using it every morning or twice in a week even, you will see result. I know a lot of people who want to do this. For you, if you want to do this, I've dropped all the formula that you can use, all the formula and all the ingredients you can use as well. I will drop it below my bio so that you can see result. It is what it is. For those of you who want to buy product like a sharper product that when you use it, you see result instantly. We have such product that you will use no matter the weather, no matter the situation, what you're passing through, you will see result. We have such products. So guys, we've come to the end of this review. Rice powder is very effective. Apart from you having any difficulties on your skin, if you know that you'll be trying to use rice powder and you don't see results, just follow the way I said it. You will always see results. So it is what it is. We remain Austin Global. Bye bye.